I thought it would be really interesting to make a video comparing my Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus and the pen technology with a 0.3mm and 0.7mm mechanical pencil. A lot of people know that mechanical pencils can be very precise as the pencil leads can be very thin, and if you look at digital pens, the tips are thicker, so you may assume the digital pens are less precise, but this is not true. For a test I could do from home, I got out one of my physics books and went to the DC circuits section. I selected a question and drew out the diagram using a 0.7mm pencil, 0.3mm pencil, and the digital pen. My aim was to see how compact I could draw using each different instrument and then compare the results. Right now you can see me using the Galaxy Tab. I started with a large diagram and then drew a smaller one to try to find the limits of the technology. I start with the pen that came with the tablet, and then I switch to the Norris Digital simply because I prefer the feel of it. Now I attempt a 0.7mm mechanical pencil, the Cross Classic Century. I very much like this pencil, however I find the 0.7mm lead to be too thick for my needs. It does restrict fine detail. I can clearly determine that the digital pen is far more precise, allowing me to draw a much more compact diagram. Here I use the 0.3mm Pentel Graph Gear 1000 and find the precision to be similar to the digital pen. I managed to draw a diagram of a similar size to what I drew on the tab. I measured the diameter of this lead, which is Pentel Einstein, and found a diameter of 0.35mm. I googled this and found that it is normal for 0.3mm pencil leads to measure 0.35mm, so beware of that. I also measured the 0.7mm Pentel Einstein lead used in the other pencil and found a diameter of 0.70mm as advertised. I measured using a manual Mitutoyo vernier caliper made in Japan. Here I show the results side by side, with a close-up of the 0.3mm pencil against the digital pen. You can see that the level of detail is very similar. I find that Wacom EMR equipped drawing tablets can reproduce natural pen input very faithfully, which is why I like it. On the tab I am using Samsung Notes with the pencil tool and a line width of 25, which is the default. Here is a close-up of the 0.7mm pencil on the left, the Norris Digital in the middle, and the 0.3mm pencil on the right. Based on this photo, you would assume the digital pen to perform similarly to the 0.7mm pencil. The 0.3mm pencil lead is far thinner than both, yet as we've seen, the Wacom EMR pen technology is so good that the digital pen competes directly with the 0.3mm pencil, without the hassle that comes with using such a pencil. I hope you found this video to be a useful demonstration of the pen technology. Please comment with any questions and I'll do my best to answer them, and please let me know what your experiences are with this technology. Good day.